Hey guys, some of y'all may have noticed the new channel name, the Gamer's Kitchen, and also the new icon on the channel. So what does exactly mean? Well, alongside the other videos that I will be making, such as the tech videos and the gaming videos, those are not going anywhere. I'm going to continue on playing my Xbox. I'm going to continue on streaming, and I'm going to continue seeing y'all on the stream as well. I'm just going to add some cooking videos. One of the biggest bickering things that me and my wife get into is what's for dinner. So I am just like you. I need to eat, you need to eat, and the wife needs to eat. So I'm going to make some easy meals that gamers like to eat. Just not too crazy meals. I'm not doing the TikTok thing. That is not going to be it. This is going to be a regular dinner or lunch type meals that you can make as well. So I hope you enjoy. If you have any comments or anything like that, please let me know, and I will keep an eye out for you on the live stream and your comments below. Thank you.